Good morning children and welcome to the EVS2 class. So children, you remember what were we doing in the last class? We were doing the lesson Discovering India Part 2 and this is the last lesson for your half yearly. And till this lesson, from lesson number 1 to lesson number 6, this lesson is needed. So shall we proceed with the lesson? Children, if you all remember, we already have started with the lesson. And what are the topics we have covered? Let's just see. So this is the lesson Discovering India Part 2. Okay, first children, we have studied that India is surrounded by 8 neighboring countries. And can you see the neighboring countries India is surrounded by? They are Afghanistan, okay, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, this is Bhutan, Nepal, then Myanmar, then Bangladesh, and then Sri Lanka. So these are the 8 neighboring countries which are surrounding India. Okay, and next we'll study about the physical features of India. Just like we, the human beings, we have eyes, we have nose, we have mouth, we have ear, we have hair. Similarly, the physical feature of India is also present. Okay, if we tell that how the boy looks, we'll tell that he has short hair, he has curly black hair, he has big eyes, and he has blunt nose. Okay, his lips are small. So children, in order to describe someone, we use these terms. Okay, she has long hair, she's fair, she's dark, she has small eyes, she's short, she's tall. Just like as we describe a human being, so these are the physical features, okay, the outward features of a person. So similarly, countries also, they have physical features and they are in the form of landforms and water bodies. Okay, landforms and water bodies. And let's see. So here children, it's given to the north, India is surrounded by the Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range. To the south, east and west, India is surrounded by water. There is a lot of variety in India's physical features. So in India's physical features, there are a lot of variety. To the north, you will find children the Himalayas, and to the south, east and west, it is surrounded by water. So towards the north, children, you will find the Himalayas. This whole area is covered by the highest mountain range of the world, that is the Himalayas. And towards the south, you can see here, south, east and west, it is covered by water. Okay, it's covered by water. So there is a wide variety of physical features in the physical feature of India. Okay, so let's study about the physical features. Okay, so let's move towards the next slide. So children, these are the physical features of India. And what are the physical features? You can see this map is present in your book, children, and here the colors, this is the key. You all know now what is a key. You have studied in the lesson map. A key is used to show the different places of the map, and in a key, colors and symbols are used. So let's see here, children, you can see the dark brown color which is in the key. Okay, and here you can see the dark brown color in the map, and it's showing the northern mountains. Then you have number 2, the light brown color, light green color, and here you can see the light green color, and it's showing the northern plain. Okay, so India is divided into 6 regions. We got the northern mountains, okay, the light brown, the dark brown color. Then we have the northern mountains, northern plains. You can see this is a whole green color is the northern plains. Then yellowish color is the great Indian desert. Then you have children slight brownish color which is the central highland. Then you have children dark green color which is the coastal plains. And then you have, lastly, you have the islands. Okay, you have the islands also on both the eastern and western part of India, in the waters of India, you will have islands, okay, and the two islands are Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Then the bluish color, children, is given here rivers, and the blue colors, okay, the blue colors which are you can see the whole map of India, you can find blue lines are there, and these, children, are the rivers. So these are the 6 regions of India, okay, and they are the physical features of India. So let's move to the next slide. So in our next slide, first physical feature we'll study is the northern mountain. And what are the northern mountains? The northern mountains form a boundary between India and China. They are known as the Himalayan mountains. Many important rivers start from the Himalayas. Example, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. Some cities and states located in the northern mountains are, children. Here you can see some cities and states are Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, and Gangtok, Sikkim. So these are the states with their capitals. So where is the northern mountain? Let's see. So here, children, you can see, okay, the dark brownish color is the northern mountain. Okay, this is the northern mountain, children. This dark brownish color is the northern mountain, and the northern mountain, it forms as a wall, okay, it forms as a wall between China and India, okay, it forms as a big wall between India and China because its height is very high. That's why it forms as a wall between both the countries. And the northern mountains, the mountains are very, very high, okay, it's not easy to cross over. So let's see, children. And what was written before? Once more, one thing more was written. Yes, from the northern mountains many rivers have come out, okay, and the 3 most important rivers from the mountains of the Himalayas that has come out is Indus, Ganga, and the river Brahmaputra, okay. These 3 rivers, they have their source, they have started from the northern mountains, and it's not that they have started from the Himalayan mountain ranges just like a big river. They have started first like a small stream, okay, like a small stream they have started. So the northern mountains have sources of many rivers. The 3 important rivers of India, the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, have their sources in these mountain ranges. So now let's move to the second. So I want to show a picture, children, of the mountain ranges. Can you see, children? These are the mountain ranges of the Himalayas, okay, and you can see this is just like a wall, okay, and like these type of mountain ranges are present between India and Pakistan, okay, and here you can see it's covered with snow, it's high, the peaks are very high, the mountain ranges are also very high, and it's like a boundary between 2 countries, okay. So now let's move to the next topic, which is northern plain. Okay, now what is a northern plain? Let's see. This region lies to the south of the Himalayan mountains. Now just to the Himalayan mountain range is there, and to the south of the Himalayan mountain range, this region is there. The river Ganga flows through the northern plain, and through this northern plain, we got first northern mountains, and to the south of the northern mountains, this northern plain is there. And the river Ganga flows through the northern plain. Hence, the region is also known as the Gangetic Plains, and that's why this region is also known as the Gangetic Plain. The river Yamuna also flows through this region. These rivers have made the northern plain excellent for farming. And also the river Ganga and Yamuna flows through this plain, and this plain is very much good for farming. And what are the cities present? Let's see. The main cities present are Rohtak, Haryana, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Patna, Bihar, and these are the main cities which are present in the northern plain. Now let's move to I want to show you a picture which is the northern plain. So this is the northern mountains, and to the south, Okay, you can see to the south of is the northern plain. This green color is the northern plain, and it comes to Assam also. And so this whole region of northern plain lies to the south of the northern mountain. Okay, and in this this Ganga plain, the river Ganga flows. Okay, and the river in the Yamuna flows. Okay, river Ganga and river Yamuna flows. And children, because of these two rivers, this plain is very suitable for farming, and people, they do lot of farming in this place. And also children, we have seen what are the important cities here. Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Rohtak, Patna, etc. are the important cities. So children, now let's move. I would like to show you a picture of the Great Plain, and you can see here, children, a very beautiful picture of plain. And what is the plain area? You can see it's totally plain. No hills are there, no uneven land is there. It's totally plain area, and plain areas are always like this. And the Great Northern Plain is like this only. One more picture I would like to show you, children. Yes, this is also a picture of the Great Northern Plain. Okay, so children, we shall stop till here. We have finished the two physical features, the northern plain and the northern mountain and the northern plain. In the next class, we will finish off the other four physical features. So till then, children, have a good day and bye bye.